Hi, David Wilton from Chief Cymru, and I've got some breaking news for you. This morning, the Minister announced the new rent settlement for next year. So if you're not familiar with that, the Minister sets a maximum cap each year that landlords can raise their rents by. They can vary each rent, but it's a maximum cap for the whole organisation. And the Minister's announced in the last hour that the rent cap will be 6.7%. That's based on last month's inflation figure, which was 6.7. So the Minister in his statement has said landlords should remember that this is a maximum increase that can be applied. It's not a target rent. So no landlord's required to actually go to 6.7, but we see a lot of them do that. So you've got to think of it like the speed limit. It's a maximum speed, but we don't all have to go to that level. Why is it 6.7? As I said already, it's because that's what inflation is last month, CPI figure. The Minister also said in the statement here that approximately 3/4 of social tenants in Wales will have all or part of their rent paid through the benefits payments and therefore will get an uplift. And there was also some discussion, not in the statement, but in meetings I've been in, where they talk about the minimum wage also going up. Which is good news for those in paid employment. But when I did a bit of digging on that, because there was a claim that minimum wage is going to go up 10%, I can't find that evidence. The real living wage is going to go up, which is a different thing. For some employers who've signed up to it, that is going to go up 10%. But the UK government have just said it will go up to at least £11 an hour. But we don't know until the autumn statements, which is done by the Chancellor at the end of November. So that's a key figure to look out for. What is the minimum wage going up for? And one of the justifications also is that although England haven't announced theirs yet, I've been talking to our two past cousins over the border, and they're expecting rent to go up by inflation plus 1%. So that would be 7.7% for them. So at least Wales come in lower than England's. So that's about it for the moment. I'm going to do a part 2 because we're digesting it and what's this mean and our thoughts on it. There's some challenges like shared ownership, things like this. So I'll do a part 2 in a minute once we've digested it all. But let me know your comments. Whatever platform you're watching this on, do let us know what you think about this. Speak soon.